Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company that provides technical solutions across the world. I am working here as a NetSuite functional consultant, and today we will be taking topic purchase contract in NetSuite application. So today we will be learning about meaning of purchase contract, key components which involve a purchase contract, and how it works in NetSuite, and a scenario based on purchase contract in NetSuite application. So starting with meaning of purchase contract. So a purchase contract in NetSuite is a formal agreement between a company and its supplier outlining the terms and conditions for purchasing goods or services over a specified period. This tool is particularly useful for companies that regularly buy large quantities of items from a supplier. So, some key components are supplier information, which includes vendor, means the supplier from whom you are purchasing, and contract start and end date. It means like the time frame during which the contract is valid. Then item details like items covered, a list of goods or services that are included in the contract, quantities, the amount of each item that will be purchased over the contract period, and pricing, which both the parties have agreed upon. Okay. Next is terms and conditions like payment terms, when and how payment will be made, delivery terms. It means details about how and when the items will be delivered, and also discounts if the party is providing any discounts on the quantity or product supplied. Then commitments is like purchase commitment where obligations to buy a certain quantity within the contract period. It can be like minimum or maximum quantity only. Fulfillment commitments, it means the supplier's obligation to provide the agreed quantities at the agreed prices. Okay. Then coming to our next topic, which is renewals and termination, which includes renewal option, whether the contract can be renewed automatically or through re-inauguration. Then termination clauses, conditions under which either party can end the contract early. Then how it works in NetSuite. So creation. So a purchase contract is created in NetSuite where all the above details are entered. So this contract becomes the reference point for all the related purchase orders. Okay. Then purchase orders. When we place an order under this contract, the terms are automatically applied, such as the agreed price and delivery terms. Then tracking. So NetSuite allows us to track the fulfillment of the contract, including how much of the committed quantity has been purchased, what is left, and if any conditions have been met or breached. Okay. Then reporting. We can generate reports to see how well the contract is being utilized, helping in planning future purchase or renegotiations. Then scenario based on purchase contract, like imagine our company frequently purchases office supplies, and we set up a purchase contract with a supplier to buy 10,000 pens over the next year at a fixed price. Okay. So every time we need more pens, we can place order under this contract only. So the supplier is committed to providing the pens at the agreed price, and we are committed to buying the total quantity within the contract period. Okay. So in essence of a purchase contract in NetSuite helps us manage long-term purchasing needs efficiently, ensuring that both of you and suppliers are aligned on expectations and obligation. So if we want to navigate through NetSuite application, so we will be navigating through NetSuite application. So this is the first front page of NetSuite application. We will be going to transactions. Under transaction, we will be going to purchases, and under purchases, we will be finding enter purchase contracts. So this is how purchase contract page looks like. We are making fourth purchase contract. So it is showing us four in purchase contract, and vendor we will be selecting, let's suppose SK Logistics. An employee is not mandatory, so we will not be taking employee here. And we will be ending this purchase contract on, let's suppose, 19th of September. Minimum amount is 1000 and maximum amount, let's say, 10,000. Okay, and memo is first. Okay, so that when we want to check in financials, we can find it. Okay, so we will be taking 143. Okay, and then we will be selecting subsidiary as California subsidiary. Currency as usual, base currency will be USA only. Department India, location India, class training class, and if there is any discount provided by vendor, we will be entering here. Total amount what we have to pay at the end of the contract or within contract, we have to write it here. Adjustment is, if there is any adjustment, we can write here. Net amount the vendor will be getting or we will be getting if we are supplying any goods, so we will be writing here. And total quantity we will be writing it here. Okay, so we will be selecting items as printer cables, and the units we will be selecting. It is not mandatory to select units, so we are not selecting the same. And base rate is 5.75 rupees only, and we will be adding the same and then saving the purchase contract. So here you can see the confirmation is given to us, like transaction is successfully saved with SK Logistics, purchase contract is made. Okay, so if we want to see, if we want to make a copy, we can make it from here. Also, if we want to see the activity which is not present here, so we can't see here. And if we want to make a new contract from here, you can select this also. Or if you want to print the purchase contract here, so it will be opening in another tab, and here you can see SKH Logistics purchase contract, today's date, and start date and end date is mentioned here. Minimum 1000 rupees is there, maximum is 10,000. Currency is USA, base rate is 5.75. Description, 6 printer cables, and item is printer cable. So this is how purchase contract is made in NetSuite application. So a purchase contract in NetSuite streamlines and secures long-term purchasing by formalizing agreements with suppliers, ensuring consistent pricing, fulfilling commitments, and improving supplier relationships. So it simplifies the procurement process, offering clear tracking and reporting, ultimately enhancing cost control and operational efficiency. So, taking a recap, what all we have discussed in purchase contract is meaning of purchase contract, key components of purchase contract and how it works in NetSuite, and what is the scenario of purchase contract in practical daily life. Okay, so we have navigated through NetSuite application too. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope this explanation helped you understand the importance and functionality of purchase contracts in NetSuite. So stay tuned for more insights to help you optimize your business processes. Until next time, take care.